Hello dear viewers, welcome to all to my YouTube channel, Spoken English with Mizan sir. And today I'm gonna show you, or I'm gonna share you how you can say something in English about present perfect tense. And if you want to say something, or if you want to describe any work or any job, any action which has already been over, but the result is still existed in the world or before you. And if you think that the result of the action is over, but the result is still in front of you, with you, at that moment you must use this tense, present perfect tense. First you should realize, or you should understand, you should keep in the memory that when you will use present perfect tense, when the action will be over, when action will be finished, but the result, the outcome of the action is still existed, is still with you, and you are going to enjoy the action. Then you will use present perfect tense, and you must know the structure, or know the formula, know the uh, structure or format of present perfect tense. First you should use subject or speaker, then you should use two auxiliary or supporting verbs. One is have, another is has. Then main verb will be third form or past participle form. In my previous video lesson I told you the main verb or base form of verb or action verb has three forms mainly: present form, past form, past participle form. In every perfect tense we must use we must use past participle form or base form of main verb. And so the structure of present perfect tense is subject or speaker, then supporting verb or auxiliary verb, have or has, and then first participle form of main verb or third form of main verb, then object or extension or the listener. So when you will use have or has, if the subject or the speaker is third person singular number, you must use has. Again, I repeat, if the subject is third person singular number, third person singular numbers are he, she, it, or any noun, any singular noun is third person and singular number. If the subject or speaker is third person singular number, we must use, you should use has as supporting verb, or in every other subjects except third person singular number, you should use have as supporting verb. So the structure will be subject or speaker, then have or has as supporting verb, then past participle of main verb, and then object or extension. So if I give you some examples, you will be clear. If you can say, I have finished my homework, I have finished the job, I have finished writing the poem, I have finished uh, writing the composition. And you can also say, you have you have made this house, you have made this building, you have bought this cloth, we have bought this cloth, they have bought this cloth, she has bought this cloth, he has bought this cloth, because he, she is third person singular number. If you say, I have bought this shirt, you have bought this shirt, they have bought this shirt, we have bought this shirt, she has bought this shirt, she has, he has bought this shirt, Mr. Ratan has bought this shirt, because Mr. Ratan is third person singular number. So I, you, we, they all are first person, second person, and plural number. but he, she, it, Ratan, Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, all are singular now. So after third person singular, we'll use has. India has got freedom. India has got freedom in 1947. Pakistan has got freedom in 1947. Bangladesh has got freedom in 1971. And India and Pakistan has India and Pakistan, not has India and Pakistan plural. India and Pakistan have got or have involved in several wars because these are two inimical countries, and India and Pakistan are plural number. So after plural number, you must use have. After third person singular number, you must use has. So I hope it has been clear to you when you will use have and when you will use has, and when you will use present perfect tense. I repeat, when the action is over, when the action is over, but the result of the action is still existed on the earth, on the world, or in front of you, before you. Like I have bought this shirt. I have bought this shirt. The matter of purchase, the action of purchase, the action of buying has been over, but the shirt is still with me. The shirt is not over. I am using this shirt. That's why the action is over, but the result of the purchase is that I have got a shirt which I am using now. That's why I must use present perfect tense, because the action of my purchase has been over, but the result of my purchase is getting this shirt is still with me, and still I am using this shirt. That's why I should use present perfect tense when the action is over, but the result is with me, result is in front of me, result is with you, result is with others, result is with theirs, etc., etc. So I hope and I expect there is no question about present perfect tense, about the using of present perfect tense, about the using of a structure of present perfect tense, and about the examples of present perfect tense. So if you think that this visual lesson was important and useful for you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to be expert and fluent in spoken English, please stay connected with this YouTube channel. And I hope if you are always connected with the YouTube channel, you will be fluent. And if you don't have any partner or couple to practice with, you can message me in my WhatsApp number. I will give you the WhatsApp number in my description box and on the screen. Please message me, and I will accompany you to practice regularly, and I can be your practicing partner. And if I can be your practicing partner, I will be grateful to you, and I will think it as a blessing, because I always try to be the partner of my subscriber, of my followers, so that they can be benefited by my YouTube channel and also by my channel. So I would like to finish here. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Thank you, everybody.